Meet the Cincoze DX-1300, a high-performance compact industrial PC built for the edge AI era. It combines the latest Intel Core Ultra processors with a rugged, fanless design that thrives in space-constrained environments. In this spotlight, we'll explore exactly what makes this platform a standout choice for modern automation. Space is often the hardest constraint on the factory floor, and the DX-1300 answers with a remarkably compact footprint. Its fanless thermal design uses a passive heat dissipation architecture, eliminating the dust intake and mechanical wear associated with fans. That means silent operation and dependable uptime in the harshest environments. At its heart, the DX-1300 leverages Intel Core Ultra processors with a built-in neural processing unit, purpose-built for accelerating AI inference at the edge. When your workload demands more, its expansion slots accommodate dedicated GPU and accelerator cards. This lets you scale performance precisely to your application without changing platforms. Connectivity defines an industrial PC's real-world usefulness, and the DX-1300 delivers a rich, versatile I/O suite. You'll find multiple gigabit LAN ports, high-speed USB, serial COM connections, and dual display outputs all in a single chassis. That means seamless integration with cameras, sensors, PLCs, and existing equipment right out of the box. Industrial deployment means exposure to heat, vibration, and unstable power. And the DX-1300 is engineered to endure it all. Its wide operating temperature range and shock and vibration resistance keep it running where consumer-grade systems would fail. Combined with wide-range power input, it delivers rock-solid stability in the most demanding conditions. So where does the DX-1300 truly shine? It's tailor-made for machine vision systems, factory automation, and embedded AI applications. Whether you're running real-time defect inspection, enabling predictive maintenance, or powering autonomous control, this platform brings the intelligence directly to the edge where decisions matter most. When you add it all up, the DX-1300 offers a rare combination: server-class performance, GPU scalability, and true industrial ruggedness in a compact, easy-to-integrate package. It cuts down on complexity and gives engineers a platform ready to grow alongside expanding AI demands. That's the kind of long-term value that pays off across the entire deployment lifecycle. The Cincoze DX-1300 is ready to power your most demanding edge AI and industrial applications with the performance and reliability your project deserves. Our team is here to help you configure the ideal system for your specific requirements. To order, visit industrialpc.com.